What if I told you that your LinkedIn profile could be the reason you're not getting job interviews? Take a look at this. Here's an unoptimized profile, and here's one that's fully optimized. Which one do you think a recruiter would choose? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to transform your LinkedIn profile so that when you apply for jobs, you actually get noticed. We'll go step by step from crafting the perfect headline to making your experience stand out. Let's get started. Go to your LinkedIn profile and you will see your name and headline. These are the first things people see when they find your profile. Your headline is what tells recruiters who you are and what you do. So don't leave it as the default job title. Instead, make it clear, keyword rich, and compelling. For example, let's go to the pencil icon to edit our profile. Make sure that your name is written in correct capitalization. Double check for any misspelling and go and scroll for your headline. Instead of just writing virtual assistant, you could write project manager, operations and community manager, content creator, client relation expert. These are the keywords that are relevant to my experience and skills. After you completed your headline, click Save. You will see the changes made on your profile. This not only tells recruiters what you do, but also includes important keywords that make it easier for them to find you. If you're switching careers, you can tailor your headline to reflect your target role. Something like aspiring data analyst. A great headline increased your visibility in recruiter searches and makes your profile more clickable. Once you have a strong headline, let's move on to your About section or your summary. This is where you tell your career story in a way that grabs attention. Imagine you're introducing yourself to a hiring manager. You want to be clear, confident, and on the point. A great way is to start with a strong opening line that describes who you are and what you bring to the table. Let's go and click the pencil icon to edit this. For example, I am a highly organized, results-driven professional with expertise in project management, client relations, education, and content creation. From there, expand your experience, skills, and achievements in 3 to 5 short paragraphs. You can also highlight what makes you unique and make sure to include keywords related to this field. You can also add bullet points to help you make key achievements stand out. And don't forget to click Save. A well-crafted About section makes recruiters want to keep reading and learn more about you. Now that your summary is strong, let's talk about your Experience section. This is where recruiters look to see if your background matches their job opening. Instead of just listing job responsibilities, focus on your impact. You can use bullet points and quantify your achievements whenever possible. Let's try and edit our experience by clicking the pencil icon or click the plus sign. You can add position, fill out the title, click the employment type, the company or organization, and you can also include the date. For the location type, you can choose whether on-site, hybrid, or remote. Let's say I'm on remote. For your job description, you can use bullet points and quantify your achievements whenever possible. For example, instead of just writing created how-to videos, what you can do is you can include numbers like this. So created high-quality how-to videos, educational content, increasing audience engagement by 40% and improving user retention. So after that, you can now go and save it, but don't forget to add skills that is related to this job post. And you can add media as well to prove that you are working in this company. You can add link or you can add a picture or a video. Now, after you're done with editing the experience, click Save. There you will see the newly added experience with a highly crafted descriptions that can really caught attention to recruiters. Remember, numbers can help prove your value instantly. And if you're transitioning careers, don't worry, you can also highlight transferable skills that are relevant to your new role. Another key section is your skills and endorsements. The more skills you have listed, the better chances of showing up in recruiter searches. Scroll down below and you will find skills. You can click the pencil icon or you can click the plus icon to add more skills that is relevant to your experience or your target jobs. Choose the right option here, and you can also make sure to click this to follow the skills to keep up with relevant content or change your job preferences. Click Save, and there you will see your skills. We have other options here as well. Aside from your skills and experience, you can also add your education by clicking the plus icon. Fill out all the necessary information. You can also add skills, add media like certification or diploma, and you can also add description. Click Save and go back. Here we also have licenses and certification that shows your value. You just need to click the plus icon, fill out all the necessary information, add skills, and you can add the media if you have a certificate or you have a picture of the certification. Click Save and scroll down below. If you've recently published an article or a journal, you could also include that in the publication. Click plus, title, publication or publisher, publication date, your name, your publication URL, and description about your published work. Now that your profile is optimized, it's time to find job opportunities on LinkedIn. Click on the Jobs tab at the top page and you'll see thousands of job listings. But instead of just scrolling aimlessly, use filters to narrow down the best options for you. You can filter by location, industry, experience level, and even company preferences. Let's try. This saves you ton of times and helps you find jobs that truly matches your skills. Speaking of applying, let's go over LinkedIn's Easy Apply feature. You can see the Easy Apply in the filters. You can click it, and here you will see all the jobs with an Easy Apply icon or button. That means you can submit your application without leaving LinkedIn in just a few clicks. While this is convenient, it's important to still take the time to tailor your application. Upload a customized resume that reflects the key qualification in the job description. Some application may also ask you screening questions, so be prepared to answer them clearly and concisely. Easy Apply can help you apply faster, but quality still matters. There you have it. Now you know exactly how to apply for jobs on LinkedIn like a pro. Optimize your profile, search smartly, and use Easy Apply when appropriate. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Have you ever applied for a job on LinkedIn? What challenges did you face? Let's talk about it in the comments and see you on our next video.